So what additional information can you provide with us? Sketches are really good. You may think you're really rubbish at drawing, but it helps us a huge amount, whether it's a diagram or a floor plan or or something more involved than that. SketchUp models. So SketchUp is a free software that you can download. If you're so inclined, you can go into the software and start playing around with it in 3D. Lego or physical models. Some of us are a bit more hands-on and we like to do that sort of thing. So this was actually a picture of a Lego model that one of our clients brought into us before we got started with them. And Pinterest boards are fantastic because for those of you who haven't used them, it's basically an online bulletin board, pin board, that you can choose pictures, you can say what you like about them, what you don't like about them, and often you telling us what you don't like is just as important as you telling us what you do like. So we encourage you to sort of create an organized Pinterest board and add notes to it so we understand what it is that you're looking at.